Abishya bari hagati y'imyaka 18 kwikari ya 35 kurwo muri district za Burenge bw'izoba nibabetabira mu mpaka zo kuronda Miss Climate Change abwe cyanga cya Burenge bw'izoba kandi aba babire nibabuzi bwo kuba kubasa kurinda eby'obuhangwa na mnonge migerane bishara.
So now that means if you hear there is a Save River Music campaign, show up. Sometimes you'll be like, okay, I really don't have the facilitation for that kid, but you showing up and showing the interest. You never know.
Most of us really showed interest in this, and for us as Miss Climate organizers, it is really showing that as we keep organizing this, it is a platform for learning. Because I know most of us here might have come when we had prepared this, but there are new things that at least we have learned from each other.
Empakezi tebekanishibwa ba Ministry y'ebyamizi n'obuhangwa bakwatanise n'ekitongole kya African Tourism and Environment Initiative kandi abici bashatu nibo baraje kere Burenge bw'izoba mu mpaka z'akamaririzo muri Rwampara ayibararitane n'abishya bandu ku rugombyange bindi.
Obwiye bumaze hande benisavinga amani amengu no kugeka social media kuzimbeka social media platform enyakule strong reaching out to many youths to participate in climate action. Simplifying information about climate change. Habukuba information ekirobwinge ya climate change bagireta mbigambe gumire by'abantu abingi batakuja kwetegereza.
Nyewe kinatandike niza kuza omubantu bagambire how climate change is, how it is affecting our lives, how it is affecting our livelihoods and the future generations. Niza kuza Abaana how
Omurama gw'omwaka oguno gujja Climate Action, Water and Environment for an Inclusive and Prosperous Uganda. Omuganda makuru Eminyeto muri shemwera bwirwa ku rugomarwa no mechakaro kureka baze kora bwentunguka ya nyenchakare ebigambiro bw'akakiko k'Eminyeto akakuru muri shema kabenkara hizibwa.
Start earning and you even mobilize your fellow youth to participate. We have the PDM. It is not segregative that this is a youth. It is actually targeting everyone. So be innovative and engage in those programs.
If you see these people not coming to you for consultation, then know that they are not working. Because what they are to bring here is directly from you.
Eminyeto bembirwe medad barijera hizibwe bitubore cyo kushasha nshonga zo kugaba imirimo muri shema.
Umwana wa shema yijana batayizinga is first priority. First priority. Wana la DC na kawo. At least na ngoto je qualifications yana meetinga. Abuji batakwa asa ibintu bakamwe kusholesa.
It's not a job in service or serving abantu bakoka ruko basavi. Ngikureho company uwebe bizobo ni mubayambe gukoresha because you have information that other people don't have. Ashino za kabura abantu bayiho ngoro ibutageyire.
Bagambire nashonga za PDM Eminyeto nagirwe.
Yakashiko ka National Youth Executive bongere fani umwisirayiro. Because the program yombe no government iyo bijya kwasa kwekuza kabiri zinga ikumi.
Amakuru agasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif na Michael Atwachire.